We are going to talk about detail items and 2D lines. So sometimes your time is limited. That's why your speed is important. Instead of 3D modeling, you can use region button to make drawings appear on your documents. All right, where's the region button? You can pick annotate, then you can select region. Okay, you understand. This button separated two formats. One is field region, the other format is masking region. Okay, let's continue with field region. For example, you can see this detail on section. Okay, you understand. Maybe you can these items. Okay, how we're gonna create this section detail? That call is break line. Okay, for example, we can create field region with field region, architecture, annotate, region, and you can select field region. You can pick line or rectangle, maybe. We can open another view, annotate, region, field region. Okay, you can pick rectangle. Then you can delete this part, and also you can change the line type, thin lines to invisible line if we cannot see that line, because invisible line do not appears on our views. So also we can add lines, but we can trim if we cannot. This drawing cannot compatible with this field region system. Okay. Also we can add this detail. Okay. Then trim or split. We can split this element. Okay. Again trim. Yes. This line type is invisible because we don't want to see this line type. Okay. Also this line type, thin lines, maybe demolished. Okay. We can push finish. Yes, you can see. Also, if you can change the pattern. Where we change the pattern, you can select edit type, then diagonal. We can change diagonal to concrete maybe. Okay. Black, so we can change color also. Red, we can change red. Okay. Also line weight, 1 to 5. Okay, you can see. If you want to see the line types on boundaries of the line, edit boundary, and then we can select the line and we can change line type, invisible lines to hidden. Okay, then we can see the boundary lines. Okay, it's clear. Cool. Okay, you can see that this detail on section. How we gonna create this detail section? Architecture, annotate, region, and you can select field region. You can pick lines. Okay. Then you can, okay. You can pick these details. can, all right, you can trim. Yes. Yes. You can see. Yeah, this is the system that created with Federico. Cool. There is another option to get detail items with creating family. How are we gonna create family for detail items? You can pick file, new, and you should choose family. There are two options, detail item, line base, and detail item. You can choose detail item. Okay. First of all, you need to set reference plane for families. Okay. Also, if you want, you can change, you can set, okay, you can set the distance from the for the center front back reference plane. Okay, you can add fill region between the reference plane. Okay, then you can see the pattern. You can change the pattern by also edit type, concrete block. You can change if you want installation rigid. Also, you can change the color if you can. You can change also line width. Okay. You can add also masking region. Okay. If visible, you can select. Okay. By the way, you can add some lines. Okay, cool. That's all. You need to save as, you pick, and family. You can write any type what you want from your for your desktop. Detail section, you can write detail section, save. Okay. After that, you should choose load into project close, and you choose the project, what you work, where you work on the Revit. Okay. Then you can see. All right. See you next session.